So today we will be looking at one more numerical. It goes like this. 2 point charges plus 9e and plus e are placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from each other. At what point between these charges should a third charge q be placed so that it remains in equilibrium? The given situation can be represented in the form of a diagram as shown below. So we have this charge 9e and we have one more charge plus e, so plus 9e at A and plus e at B, and we are assuming that the midpoint between them is not the midpoint, let the point where we are placing the third charge q, let that point be P. Now we don't know what is the distance at which P is located, so we are taking it as x meter. So the distance between A and B is already given to be 16 centimeter, that is 0.16 meter. So if the distance from A to P is x meter, then from P to B it is 0.16 minus x meter. And of course we have the electric fields E1 and E2, repulsive because both are like charges, both are positive charges. So we write it. Let the third charge q be placed at a point P which is at a distance of x meter from the charge plus 9e. For equilibrium, the resultant force F, the net resultant force F should be 0, F equal to 0 at the point P. That means the forces will balance each other. So F1 equal to F2. F1 is the force between the charges 9e and q. So we are using Coulomb's law formula. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9e q by what is the distance? We have assumed it to be x. So x square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught for the second force. The charge is E, other charge is Q. The distance, as we have seen in the diagram, this distance is 0.16 minus x whole square. So we rearrange the terms in this manner. This is a square, it's to be squared, so we move it to the LHS. This is x square, so we put it in a square bracket, and whole square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught gets cancelled. So what is left here, again EQ and EQ, they get cancelled. So what is left is 1 by 9. Now we break this term, 0.16 by x minus x by x cancelled, so 1. And this side, if we take, this is square, so we take root over, so root over 1 by 9. Or again we rearrange, we obtain this. Finally we can obtain the unknown value x in this manner. So we get it to be 0.12 meter. So 0.12 meter. So what we write as a final answer? So q, the third charge q, should be placed at a distance 0.12 meter means 12 centimeter from the charge plus 9e. We move to the next numerical.